Honda just changed the one thing that made people skip the CR-V, and it could cut your fuel costs significantly. Here's what finally changed on the 2026 CR-V. The CR-V has always been the practical choice. It's the SUV people buy when they need space for kids, gear, and groceries without spending luxury money. It fits in tight parking spots, but doesn't feel cramped on road trips. Based on early public reports and manufacturer information available so far, the 2026 model is shaping up to address the biggest complaints from owners: fuel costs, tech that feels dated, and interior space that could be better optimized. This isn't a full redesign, but the updates target exactly what daily drivers actually care about. Here's the big shift. Reports suggest Honda is making the hybrid powertrain standard or significantly more accessible across the CR-V lineup for 2026. Previous years locked the hybrid behind higher trim levels, with price premiums that pushed many buyers toward the gas-only model. Why this matters: the CR-V hybrid typically delivers around 40 mpg combined, compared to roughly 30 mpg for the standard engine. If you're driving 12,000 miles per year with gas at $3.50 per gallon, that difference saves you approximately $350 to $400 annually over time. That's real money back in your pocket. Early reports also indicate the hybrid system will deliver smoother acceleration and quieter highway cruising, which means better daily comfort without sacrificing power when you need to merge or pass. Honda's been playing catch-up on infotainment for years. Based on early information, the 2026 CR-V is expected to feature an upgraded touchscreen system, likely a larger display replacing the smaller screens from previous years. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expected to come standard, along with a simplified menu layout that doesn't bury basic controls in submenus. Reports also suggest Google built-in integration on certain trims, giving you native navigation, voice commands, and app access without relying on your phone connection. For families who juggle music, navigation, and hands-free calls daily, this removes friction from every drive.
The CR-V already offers decent cargo room, but early reports indicate Honda has reworked the rear cargo area layout. Expect a lowered liftover height, making it easier to load heavy items like strollers, sports equipment, or grocery bags. Additional storage cubbies and underfloor compartments are also expected, which means less clutter in the main cargo area. Rear seat legroom is reportedly improved slightly through smarter seat design, which matters if you carry adult passengers often. Honda Sensing is expected to receive updates. Reports point to improved adaptive cruise control, better lane keeping assist, and potentially a 360-degree camera system on higher trims. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are expected to come standard across more trims. The updates aim to feel more natural in real traffic, reducing stress in parking lots and highway merges. Enhanced pedestrian detection and automatic emergency braking are also expected, adding extra peace of mind in busy areas. Despite these upgrades, early pricing expectations suggest Honda will keep the CR-V competitive with the Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-50, and Subaru Forester. Base prices are expected to stay close to the outgoing model year. The surprise isn't the base price, it's the value in mid-trims. You're getting hybrid efficiency, upgraded tech, and improved safety without jumping into premium pricing territory. That keeps the CR-V accessible for first-time SUV buyers and families upgrading from sedans. Day-to-day, the CR-V is designed to disappear into your routine in the best way. Stop-and-go traffic feels easier with hybrid efficiency. Wireless connectivity makes daily drives smoother. The cabin stays quiet and comfortable on commutes and long trips. Comfortable seats, practical ground clearance, and a calm ride quality make it a stress-free daily vehicle. The CR-V isn't built to be exciting. If you want sharp handling or quick acceleration, there are sportier options. But if you care about reliability, efficiency, and practicality, this is exactly what it's designed for. Subscribe for simple car breakdowns you can actually use. No hype, just what matters for real drivers.